going on, guys? Lawson Custom Offsets. We're actually about to fly out to Texas to hit up Lonestar Throwdown. We got the whole team with us. We're flying out of Chicago. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we just landed in Houston. We're about 30 minutes away from Conroe. We're gonna pick up our bag and then hop into the rental cars, head there. The pre-meet just started like 10 minutes ago, so we gotta hurry up, drop our stuff off at the hotel, hit the pre-meet, go see everyone. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, so we landed probably 2 hours ago and we still don't have our rental cars. The pre-meet is, I think, 2 hours deep already. And the pre-meet's actually 10 minutes away from here. Our hotel's like 40 minutes away. So we're trying to see who of our like 25-person group wants to go to the pre-meet only and take like 2 vehicles to the pre-meet, and then a couple people want to go to the hotel and get dinner and pass out. But I think we're still gonna hit the pre-meet. We just need to get these vehicles. I feel like we've been in this parking garage for forever. And Biggs is behind the camera right now. You should see how frustrated he's getting because we've just been here forever. We just want to get to pre-meet, shake hands, see everyone from all over the country, and just have a good time. So we're waiting on the cars. Hopefully be on the road soon. Alrighty guys, so we are in what is this, Expedition?
Yep.
Yeah, we're in an Expedition. They still couldn't find any of our vehicles, so then they just gave us a bunch of large SUVs. And we're like, take it, go have fun. So I don't know what's going on. I was told to take this. We are leaving. We're going to the pre-meet. And we're gonna go say hi to everyone, have some fun. So they're not letting us out of the lot because we signed up with like 3 vehicles on one person's name. It's a shit show, but hopefully we'll be out to the meet soon.
I don't think it's gonna happen, folks. Oh my God, we're finally leaving.
How's your day going?
Could be better, but we're here and we're gonna have a blast.
Alright guys, so that was the pre-meet. We're headed back to the hotel, gonna get some sleep, gotta get up early, and then we're gonna hit the actual Lonestar Throwdown show. Let's get after it. Alright guys, so here we are, day 2, and we just made it to the grounds. Damn near got the rental stuck, but we're about to head inside and check out Lonestar Throwdown. Let's go.
You guys want to be in our vlog?
Dude, is it a YouTube channel?
Yeah, we're Custom Offsets.
Oh shit, nuh-uh.
Yeah, swear to God.
That's bad.
Yeah, you guys want to be in our vlog?
Yeah.
Say what's
I love
up.
y'all. What's up, bro? What's up? What's up? How's it going?
Hell yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Give us an update.
You want an update?
Yeah, I do. I want an update.
Alright guys, so we just got back to the hotel. Long day at Lonestar Throwdown. Tomorrow's the big day when everyone shows up to the show. Super excited. We're gonna kick it tonight, hang back, relax, drink some drinks, and we'll see you guys at the show tomorrow.
Woo! Ooh, and it has to be, is it like a meal? So it can't be gummy worms because then I would die.
Yeah.
From like
I guess.
Probably macaroni and cheese. I feel like that's a good balanced diet.
Macaroni and cheese,
Yeah,
just
for sure.
every day, all day.
Yeah, every day, all day.
Once you go to diesel, you're not going to go back. Hell, I bought that 250, that 77 had a gas. I pulled it out, put 12 valve Cummins in.
Yeah.
So,
That's nuts.
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, that was our Lonestar Throwdown 2021 montage slash vlog. We're all super tired. I think it's like 3 or 4 in the morning right now. We're gonna head to the airport, head back home. We had a blast. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like this video, and also if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, accessories, customoffsets.com. See you guys in the next one.